Assalamu alaikum. This is AutoCAD lecture number 3. In this lecture, we will use dimensions and hatch. Open a new file. This is the drawing. So, as we learn together, we have to select the start. Uh, I will start by drawing this circle and this circle. Diameter of the small circle, it is phi 25, and the larger circle phi is 50, and uh, I will draw also the center lines for these circles. So I will draw a circle. It is better to prepare the layers, so I will go to layer manager. In the layer manager, I will use the zero layer for the visible lines, so I will choose color white, line type continuous, and line weight 0.5. And then I will right click and create a new layer. Keep it layer number 1. This layer, or change the name if you wish, change the name to uh, say that center or hidden or whatever. I will keep it layer number 1, never mind. I will choose the color to be yellow for center lines. Line type, I have to load. We can load all of them together. And then I will select the center, one of the scales, center or center 2 or x2. And then the line weight, it should be 0.15. And we need also hidden lines, or you can also add construction lines, whatever. I will start from these two layers. Also, I will add dimensions. I will again add a new layer for dimensions later on. Currently, we have the layer number 1. I will set the current layer to be number 0, and then draw a circle, center of the circle anywhere, and diameter of the circle. Right click and say I want diameter. It was 25 for the smaller one. Zoom in, zoom out, right click, repeat circle. I will choose the same center, and then right click again. I will choose diameter. Diameter value, it is 50. And as I told you, you have to go and show the line weights. Good. Now I will draw a center line. I will go to layer number 1 and then draw a line from not the center. I will just track, click, and then go back again, track and click. The center line, it's okay, but the line type scale small. Click on the line, right click, and then go to properties. From properties, I will go and choose the line type scale. It is now 1. I will try 5 as example. It is good, but not enough. I will say 10. Enter. I think 10 is good. Cancel it now. Escape. Next, I will draw a line again. Again, same process. Don't click on the center. Go out to make or to do tracking. Click and move again. Click here, and that's it. And then match properties. Take the properties from this line to this line to copy the line type scale and all of the properties. Next step, I have this circle and this circle. So let me draw this half or semicircle with phi 62. So I will go to circle, same center, right click, diameter. I will choose 62. Now this circle on the center layer, never mind, keep it like this. Next step, I will draw this line. This line length, it is 36. And I will draw the other line here. Sorry, this line from here to here. I don't know how much the length. We should calculate the length. So let me check what dimensions available here. Actually, from the center to this point, it is 63, and then 44, and also on the top we have 98, and here we have 25. So we have to find a way. To calculate this length from here to here, this line length later on. But let me check if I can draw a center line at the middle exactly. Let me check how much the distance between this center line and this center line, how much it is. Let me check again, do some calculation here. Yes, we can say that it is 36 plus half of 44, which is 22 plus 36. It is 58. 58 from the center. It's okay. So now what I will do, again, I will draw this line 36, and I will make offset from this center line to here using dimension of 58. So let me take this circle to the 0 layer, and again I will go and keep the 0 layer current layer like this, escape. Now I will draw a line from this quadrant point. I will move to the left and write 36, enter. It is 36, and also we need the offset of the center line, so I will choose offset. It will ask for a distance. It is 58, enter. Select object, I will select the center line and to the left click, and that's it. Now we have this center line at the middle. Okay, we can actually offset the center line from here to here. It is half of the 62, which is 31. So I will draw a line or offset, it's up to you. Offset, say 31 distance, which line? This line to here, and let me take this one to the 0 layer. And now as you see, we have actually this this edge, so we can draw a line from the quadrant point here, then extend it until reach this line. So I will draw a line from the quadrant point to this line like this, and now I will go to trim, select trim, right click, I will choose the mode. From the mode I will choose quick, then I will cut this line from here. I cut this circle from here, cut the circle from here also, right click, enter. Now this line and this arc not needed, I will delete them by delete. Next step, we can actually we can draw this line from here to here. We need the length. The length, it is 25. So we can draw a line from this point, go up. Before typing 25, be sure that the line is in a vertical direction. 25, enter. At next step, I will go to the left, go to the right, sorry, go to the right. I need this length. Actually, we can calculate it by it is 98 minus 44 divided by 2. 8 minus 4, it is 4, and 9 minus 4, it is 5. So it is 45 divided by 2, it is 27. So we should again we should go to the right, 27. So go to the right, 27, enter. And then I will go up 13. Now this is to the top, 13. Before press on enter, I will be sure that the line is in vertical direction, and then I will go to left by 98. It This is 98, enter, and same story, guys. I will track this line, this point, click here, and then I will go to inside. It is 57, I think. No, not 57. So I will right click undo. Maybe I forgot. Let me go back and check how much this distance. Again, it is 54 divided by 2. It is 27. Yes, it should be 27. So 27 like this, enter, and then go down, track this point, click, and then check. I will go to the left again. We draw this line, okay. I will stop here. Next, uh, I need this line now, this line, and this line we can offset from the center by half of the 25. So we can choose offset 12.5, this center line to the right, this center line to the left, escape, select this line, and go to layer number 0, or you can match properties, it's up to you. And now I have these two lines, this line and this line. The line height from the top to the bottom, it is should be 13 plus 25 plus 12. So we have 25, 25, 50. So total length is 50. Let me extend the line. Same, I will go to mode and I will select quick. Click on this point. No, this is trim, sorry. Control Z. Extend, right click, mode. I will choose quick. And then click here, then click here. Okay. And then as example, we can make an offset. The offset should be 50 between this line to here, just to indicate the end of the lines. And then we can go back and make a trim. Again, right click, mode, right click, quick. It was quick in the previous selection, but I just want to show you how can I make it quick again. And next, I will delete this line. So this line length and this line length is 50. Okay. And now we want to, I will make the chamfer later on and this line later on. Now I will try to draw this rectangle. This rectangle, it is from the center to here 25 and to here 25. So let me offset the lines by 25. 25, enter, this center line to the right and this center line to the left. You can match properties, take this line to this one to this one. And next step, let me draw a line. As you see here, we have a line. I don't know how much the length is. So no, sorry, the length from here to here, it is 25, and from here to here, it is also 25. So we can draw two lines. Okay, so I will draw a line. I will track like this, or we can draw the line from here to here directly like this. And we can also let me check if we can use mirror. I can't use mirror because this the midpoint of this rectangle not crossing to the center. Okay, so what should I do? Maybe I will offset this line to here by using 42 dimension. So what I will do, I will use offset 42, enter, select this line and click here. We got this rectangle. Now let me make trim. I will choose the previous option. It's already on the quick, so we can use it directly. Okay, so we got this rectangle at the middle. Now we need the lower rectangle. Same idea. We can offset from the center to the left and right half of 42, which is 21. And the height of this rectangle, it is actually it is 75 minus 12. It is 75 minus 12 minus 42 and minus, actually this is a 45 angle, but how much the length, how much this height or length? Mm, not given. Should be given, but all fillets radius here 3 units. Where is the fillet? The small one. This is 3, and this is actually maybe 2, I think. I will consider it as 2. So we have here 12 plus 2, 12 plus 2, 14, 14 plus 42, it is 50, 6, 56. 56 minus 75, or 75 minus 56, it is 20. So we have 20 here. Okay, this distance from here to here, it is 20 units. Okay, so I will make offset by 20. This is offset 20 from this line to here, and also from the center I will make offset half of the 42. Again, offset half of the 42, 21, enter, from the center line to the right, center line to the left, and then you can match properties from this one to this one and to this one, and then you can, as example, I will do the following. We can click here and take the grip, but be sure that you will not change the angle direction. Same idea here, guys. And now you can use trim here and here and here and here. So we got this rectangle. Now I will try to draw this line. This line offset from the center, it is half of 62, which is 31. 31 again, offset 31, enter, from the center to the left. Again, match properties from this one to this line, and then we can connect this line to this line. Click here, just take the grip to this point. Okay, and now we can connect from the bottom also. Again, let me show you what I will do. I will connect here, so we can draw a line from this point to here, and then zoom, and then take the grip to here, and same idea from here. But we have a problem. No, we don't have the length of this line from here to here, so we'll do the same thing, just connect from here to here. So I will go draw a line from here to here, and then take this point to this point. I think we finished the drawing. Let me check again. This one it's okay, this one it's okay, this one it's okay, but we have this line and this line and this line and the fillets. I will add them now. So I will click here, guys. We can just take this grip to here, click this line again, and take this grip to here. But we have a problem here. It should be tangent in this side. I did a mistake somewhere. Why this is not tangent? What I did exactly? What I did exactly? exactly. I think the problem here in this distance is not given. So what I will do, I will try to start again from the tangent. So this line, it is tangent to this circle, and then I will take from here to here the 42, the 42. So again, what I will do, I will go and draw another line. Let me draw another line from here to here. Okay, remove this line, extend and trim. So I will choose shift, trim to extend, shift and trim to extend, and then I will do trimming like this without shift. Now I have to be sure that this length is okay. So I will go here and say that this distance, I don't know how much. I don't know how much this distance should be given. I will leave it like this. But we can know exactly where is this line from the 75. So I know this is a correct line. I will offset 75 to the bottom. So I will delete this line and this line and this line, and I will make offset from again the distance, it is 75 from this line to here. We have just a little bit small distance variation, so it's okay. Now I will go again and make trim, shift, trim to extend. Same thing here, same thing here, same thing here, and then we can be sure that the connection is okay. Here is okay. Done from this side. Now this rectangle height, how much it should be from here to here? It should be 42. Just let me be sure that how much this distance. I will remove this line and I will offset by 42. Enter. I will choose this line and this distance. Now it is okay. Now it is okay. I will go and make again trim and extend together. So this is trim and shift trim to do the extension, to make the extension. And here again we have trim. Now I fixed the problem. Next step, we have here fillets, and here we have a chamfer. The chamfer, it was how much? This chamfer, it is 45 angle, 45 angle, but I don't know how much the height. We should calculate it again. So this is not correct, 20. I use the offset from here to here. So we have from here to here 12. So let me go to tools or measure. We can say measure, enter. Okay. We need this distance from here, from this point to this point. So here we have from here to here, it is 52. 52 from this line to this line, it is 52. 52. Let me go back to the drawing from here. From here, from this line to this line, it should be 52. So 52 minus we have here 50, it should be 2. And this is what I said at the beginning, it should be 2. Okay, so 2 by 2. So we have a chamfer here, 2 by 2. Let me offset first a line by 2, enter this line to the top, and then I will make trim this line and this line like this, and then I will draw a line from here by 45 angle. So as you see, it is shift and the angle which is larger than, sorry, it is the angle, okay, and the angle it is 45, but it is minus 45 to go down in this direction. And now I will connect the line or extend the line like this. I will do the same thing from this edge, but the angle again, shift angle, the angle should be minus 135, enter, and now I extend like this. And last step, I will do trim this one, and trim this internal line, and trim this internal line. I think we did this one correctly. Okay, and next step, I will make the fillets. Fillets are all 3 units. Okay, so I will go to fillet, right click, radius should be 3, enter, right click, multiple, because I will do it more than one time. I will do it between this line and this line, and again this line and this line. Never mind, I will fix it again and draw between this line and this line and this line and this line. Just click on this line and take the grip again, and same thing here, click here. We have an option with the fillet that will remove or keep the line without trimming it, but I will do it like this. Now we finish the drawing. I think this one we should remove it or keep it, I don't know. We have this is just a multi-view or section view. Let me keep it like this. Maybe this one, it is just a cylindrical shape or hole, so keep it like this, never mind. Next step, the last thing, for the drawing, we have to add the hatch. It's very easy for the hatch, just type the hatch, or you can select the hatch from here, select hatch, and as you see here we have the hatch type. It is the default one. Just click the areas, this area, and we have also this area, and I think this area and this area and this area. Let me be sure that everything is okay. Yes, all these areas. As you see, the scale, it is too much, so the scale, it is 1. We can change it to 10 because the section lines are too dense. Angle, it is 0. Be sure that, okay, I think the scale should be 50 better. Make it 35 better. Yes, very good. And then, sorry, and then close. But I don't like the hatch line to be thick lines, so I will choose them and then go to right click, properties. From properties, I will go to, I'm waiting the properties. Yes, go to line weight, not by layer. Make it 0.15 because the section lines should be thin, not thick, like this. The last step, guys, we want to add dimensions. Add the dimensions. How we can add dimensions in AutoCAD? It needs some experience or practice, but I will try to make it in a quick and clear way. So at the beginning, we have to go to here to annotation. As you see here, we have annotation. The current one for dimensions, it is the standard. My advice, we can go to the standard like this and go to manage dimension style, or you can type manage style directly and go to the style manager. This is the standard, which is the current one. I will choose a new, give it a name, any name, 1 2 3 R, anything, or copy of the standard. Continue. So we copy the standard. Now this is the copy. Press OK. As you see, we have a standard and the copy. click the copy and set current. This is very important, guys, to select the current style to be the copy of a standard. Set current. Okay, now the current style, it is the copy. Let me try a dimension, any dimension from here to here, and go up. First of all, as you see, the text is very small. Before that, guys, I forgot to tell you that we have to go to layer manager again and right click here, add a new layer, give it a name, dimension layer. Dimensions, as example, it could be in white or any color. Surely it should be continuous, but the line weight should be 0.15. Okay, like this. Let me give it a color like this color. Never mind. You can keep it white. It's up to you. Now the current layer is 0. I will choose the dimension layer. I will delete this layer again. I will choose dimension. From dimension, I will take this point and this point. And as you see now, the properties for dimensions are correct, but the scale of the dimension is not good. I can't see the arrowhead. I can't see the dimension itself, the text. So what we should do? Remember that the current style, it is the copy of the standard. So I will click here, then I will go to manage dimension style. Be sure that you selected the copy. Now modify. My advice to you all, guys, this is my own algorithm. Go to text, increase the text size. I think it should be 2 or around 3. I will select 2 because it is very small. Test, close. Now it's okay. See, I think dimensions are okay. Maybe we can go back again to annotation, copy, then manage. Be sure that the copy, then modify again. Let me choose 2.5. 2.5 and try again, close. I think it's okay. So remember that text size is 2.5. Again, my algorithm, after setting the text size correctly, go again to the style, manage, modify. Now, guys, any distance, keep it half of that text size at the beginning. Arrowhead size, same, the text size, or just a little bit less than the text size. So I will go to symbols and arrow size, say 2.35, and go to lines. Go to lines here, guys. The extend beyond dimension line, it is this extension after the arrowhead. Make it half of the text, say 1.3. Okay, offset from origin, it means the offset between the extension line and the point. Again, half of the all of distances start from the half of the text size, say 1.3 also. We have here also primary units. Be sure that precision, it depends on dimensions you have. If you have fractions or you don't have, I think in my drawing I don't have fractions, so I will keep it like this. And the separator, it's the period or dot. Okay, close. I think now, as you see, if you look to the dimension, it's look yani, good, but distances are not yani, enough. Like this offset between the number and the extension line, it's not good. This offset or gap, a little bit small. I will make it larger, and same thing for the extension beyond dimension line. So I will go the last iteration. I will go to again the manage the style, and then modify, and go to arrowhead, make it 2.5 exactly, and go to lines, make it 2 by 2, 2 by 2 like this. Press OK, press cancel, but still we have here this distance is not, I forgot to change it. So I will go again to modify. From modify, I will go to text. I forgot actually to increase this. Yes, offset from dimension line. I forgot it. Same idea. It should be yani, at the beginning half of the text size. But now I know that okay, half of the yani, say what 1.52. It's okay. Close. Now it's okay. Now, how we can add dimensions? We need also we can make the same dimensions, and you can make your own dimension. I will do the same or use my own. Never mind. We have here linear dimension between this point and this point. Drag and then click, and you can make zoom in like this, guys, and change the distance. We need also this distance, 63. So we can go linear dimension from this point to this point should be 63. And also say that the 44, right click, repeat dimension, linear dimension. Now we can right click here, guys. Be sure that the midpoint is active, and I will select this midpoint. Sorry, again, right click dimension. I will select this point and this point, which is should be 44. Don't keep the text at the middle, crossing with the center line. Move it like this. Also, we need the 98, 25. Okay, this is done. This is done. We need the height 13 and 25. So again, right click dimension linear from here to here. It should be 13. Click on the 13 like this, move it to the midpoint. Right click, repeat. We can take from here to this point and then move it like this. We have a continue dimension, but I will teach you how to fix it by yourself. Click like this. Take the grip from here to here. Next step, again, dimension linear from this point to this point. Zoom, click, take the grip to the grip. Again, I have a continue dimension here. You can select it. One of the options, as you see here, we have linear, aligned, angular for angles, radius for radius, diameter, and so on. Next step, we have the 12 and 42. 12 and 42. Again, we need the 12 between this edge and that edge. So draw between this edge and this edge. This is 14. So we can keep it 14 like this, never mind. Or we can take this grip, take this grip from here to here. It is the 12. Click and again move the 12 to the middle point. And again, we can take linear dimension from this point to this point, which is 42, like this. This is the 42. 75 is okay. Now we have 42 here and 62 from bottom. So again, right click dimension linear from this point to this point. This is 62. And we need again right click dimension between this point and this point should be 42. We can just click like this, guys, and move the center line and this dimension like this. Next step, we have this 50, internal 50. Again, linear dimension between this point and this point, it is 50. Dimension between this point and this point. Should be 50. Again, move the text a little bit to the left. Now diameters. I will click to here and select diameter. This is diameter. I will select the outer one and then right click again, diameter, select this one. Right click, diameter again, select this one, like this. Okay. Actually, I do the following, guys. I click on this one, right click, go to properties, and from the properties, go to I forgot what it is. Fit dimension line force. Make it on the force dimension line. I will show you what I did exactly. As you see, we can see the dimension line extended from here to here. So I will go to match properties. I will take this one to here, to here. Let me also right click properties. We can fix it from dimension line style, but I'll show you here how we can fix it. Or okay, I will go to annotation. From annotation, I will go to here, dimension. Okay, modify. I will go to arrow symbols and arrowhead. Okay, center mark. It is a mark. Okay, break size preceding. Actually, I forgot. This is not good to make to keep it like this. I will delete it and make radius instead. So I will go to here, select radius, select this circle and move it like this, guys. Go up like this, and then you can go to match between this one and this one like this. Because here we have an arc, not a circle. We should not put diameter. And the last thing, I have to add the angle here. We can go to dimensions, choose angular between this line and this line. We can show it like this or like this or like that, or we can, if you wish, we can add, this is okay. We can also add a note, but I prefer to keep it like this as an angle. This is good also. We can take the text outside to make it more clear like this. I think I finished all of the dimensions, the needed dimensions. Fillet radius, we can add the fillet radius. Go to here, select radius, and we can select this radius like this. Like this, okay? Just keep one of them. That means all of them are same. To change the hatch type, the section lines type, we will double click on the hatch again, close this one, and then we can go to the hatch type we want. This is the current one, the by default one. We can choose this one as example, or choose one of the other hatch types like this one. But I prefer to use the default one for this course. So I will go back to choose ANSI 31 and keep it always like this. Thank you so much. So I hope that we learned together today how we can draw a section view like this one, add the section lines, and use the layers again, and put dimensions and modify the dimension style. Thank you so much.